What is up, guys? This video is a continuation of my last video where I showed you how to make an Instagram bot that posts content onto Instagram. Anyways, in this video I'll be showing you how to put that bot into Heroku so that it posts content periodically without you doing anything. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy.
So let's turn this into a script. All you have to do is to download as Python, and there you go. You have a Python script with the code that was there. And let's see it in the folder. Okay, this will generate this file over here, and if I open it up, you'll see that it has, the basic Python stuff, but you'll just have to delete these first two lines, which would install instant auto and pillow, but in this case this will be done somewhere else, so we can just delete that, close, and then here I can create another file called the requirements file, which will be where we actually tell Python what libraries did we had to install for this to work correctly. And we installed instauto and pillow, so we just type those ones there. And now to check that this script is actually working, I'm going to open PowerShell. So in this case I'll just go here, PowerShell, and I'm in the right folder, so I just do Python and then Timebot. And hopefully, if everything works correctly, after a bit you'll see success true. Okay, that means that the post was successfully posted. And if I go on to the web, you'll see that now there's a new one with this time. Okay, now about importing it into Heroku. Let's just go into Heroku. You might have to create an account. It's free, so you don't have to pay anything for it. It's all good. After that, you'll just have to create an app. Put some random name here, Timebot IG, for example, and create an app. After that, it will show you the instructions how to set it all up. In this case, we're going to set this pretty much how it says here. So we have to do Heroku login. So we just open a terminal in this window. We can use the other one that we were using because it's the same thing. And we do Heroku login. In this case, this will not do anything because I'm already logged in onto Heroku. Press any key. After pressing a key, there you go, login, and boom. In this case, you'll have to input your credentials. After that, here you'll just paste whatever it says here. So go into the project folder. In this case, you don't need this to do it because we're already on the folder. Do git init and then this one. So let's do git init to initiate a repository, and then do the git whatever remote to link to the remote repository on Heroku. And just like that, it's now set up. All we have to do now is do the standard git commit stuff: git add, git commit, git push. So let's just do git.add, git.commit, git commit something, git push, Heroku master in this case. And this will be, after a bit, will install everything. And yep, let's wait a bit. As you can see, it installed instauto and pillow, just like we asked on the requirements file. And voila, it just launched and everything is okay. We can also verify that everything is correct in Heroku. So let's go there. So let's go on to more view logs, and you'll see that the build was succeeded, but currently there's nothing running here. Usually this gives you like a website, so if I go on to open app, it will show a website of some sort, but because we didn't set this, we just put some files onto some weird random directory on the web, there's nothing here. It's just some files on a server. And Heroku actually has a way for you to interact with that stuff through a console. You can just open it here, run console, or do it on the command line also. Let's just do here git Heroku run bash, and it will open the console. You could also do this on your computer. And there you go, we're inside the machine. If I do, for example, ls, we got a list of all the files that we just committed to there. And we can also do commands. So let's run the Python script by doing python timebot.py, and okay, it actually gives us an error. Okay, so this error seems to be related with the version of Python. So in this case, let's see the version of Python that we are running here. Python ---- version, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and this is this version of Python. And in my computer I was running Python, let's see, ---- version. That version of Python, so it's one version above. So there might be some incompatibilities with the library that I was using. So in this case, which might also happen to you, you also have to create another file on your directory that actually Heroku creates by default in case you don't have it, which is this runtime.txt file. In this case, it's set the version for 3.6.12, but as you can see, we're running 3.7, so it might generate some incompatibilities. So let's just create that file here real quick. Runtime.txt, there you go. Paste that in there with the Python before, just like in here. Let me see. Okay, let me confirm if this is according to what's here. No, you have to do it like so, Python minus whatever and then the version. So Python minus whatever, there you go. Let's save this bad boy and let's do the git commit push whatever, git commit git push, git push Heroku master, my bad, master, Jesus. And now hopefully it will say that this is the version once we go onto the console again. And as you might see, it says that it's installing Python 3.7.6, so there's no way that there will be an error now. Okay, all good, great. And let's go back onto the Heroku console. So in here, let's see if this updated the version of Python. Maybe we have to close and open the console to verify that. We just refresh the page and run console. Yes. Okay, I'm in again. So cat runtime.txt. Okay, and now you can see that the runtime has the correct version of Python. Okay, so now hopefully we can run this just like we were doing before, and it will open and it will run the script. Let's see. And boom, success equals true. We should now have another post if I refresh this bad boy. And there you go. Now it's another post. And now all we have to do is make this run on a schedule. And you might know things such as cron and whatnot. And we're going to use something very similar to that. Going to resources, find add-ons, and you just search for Heroku scheduler. And we're not using this one because I think it's paid. Not completely sure. I usually use this one. So it says where it's available. It says that's free, so that's good. And then boom, you just have to type the whatever you want to install it. In this case it's this here for me, submit, and just like that you have this similar thing to cron installed. And let's see, I'll just open it now and I can set up what command I want to run on a schedule. So let's create a job. All we have to do is put here that the every 10 minutes or every hour or every day. I'll just do every day or every hour at 20. And then the command that we want to run, in this case it's this one, save, and you'll see that the next time it will run it will be at 12:20. So if I open this up, let's just wait for it. Let's see if it worked. Maybe we have to wait a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, and as you can see, it's still a little bit, but it ran. And it shows here that when it ran actually, so it ran at 21:16 instead of at 20, but here it is. As you can see, it ran at 21:16. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. You can see the code on the description, and thanks for watching.